Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mohan Krishna Podli, vitreoretinal surgeon at Sri Geeta Super Specialty Hospital, Guntur. On the eve of World Diabetes Day, which is falling on this November 14th, which is also Diwali day for us. First of all, let me wish you a very happy Diwali. And coming to the World Diabetes Day, let me give few insights. So, World Diabetes Day, which is created in 1991 by WHO, later on became an officially United Nations Day in 2006. Coming to the diabetes, diabetic retinopathy is a condition, vision threatening condition, which is not aware by many patients still in the present world. 1 in 10 living people are diabetics in this present world, and every one diabetic in 100 diabetics are having diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic retinopathy is really a vision threatening condition where one loses their vision either due to macular edema or vitreous hemorrhage. So I suggest diabetic people who are in the cities and towns to go for a periodical checkup with the nearby ophthalmologists, if possible retina specialists, and people who are not having any approach or any contact with the ophthalmologist for the retina specialist, you can check it by yourself at home just by sitting near the window and checking both eyes independently by seeing a different object like a tree or a far building. So by doing this, you will be self-aware whether your vision has come down or not. So if you feel there is a difference in vision, you have to consult your nearby ophthalmologist, if possible retina specialist, immediately. I wish all of you a very happy Diwali, and please be safe from the COVID also. Thank you.